We use df command, which stands for disk free, and du command, which stands for disk usage, to return Linux disk space information. These commands show the disk usage information about all the mounted file systems and at files or directories level. Let's have a walkthrough of using both commands in Linux. Using the df command without any parameter or with -k parameter will display all file systems and their disk usage in 1024 bytes mode. We can add the other parameters to display the file size in specific format like MBs or GBs. To display the size in human readable format in MBs or GBs, use -h option. It will display all file systems and their disk usage in human readable format. You can notice the column size showing in MBs and GBs. Use a dot with df command to display a total of disk space of current mount in default KB format. We can add -h to display the same in human readable format. It will show the space in MBs and GBs. Notice the difference. We can also use this command in the other way. So both will return the same output. I'm using it one more time. If we want to show only one column, for example the use percentage, we can add both grep and cut commands to the df command to get that required result. So in this case, we want to check the use percentage of this directory. It will only show the percentage and the used column. First, grep this directory. Now add the cut command. From character 48 to 52. So from character 48 to 52, it showed only the used percentage for this specific directory. Now we will have a walkthrough of du command. Du command shows the amount of disk space used by the specific files and subdirectories. When we use du command without any argument, it returns the disk space for the current directory in default 1024 bytes format. It can be customized using additional arguments. Notice the size in default KB format. Now if you want to return the size in human readable format like MBs and GBs, we can just add -h argument. Now notice the size in MBs, and same way it will show the space in GBs if there are any files or directories in GB size. If we want to return the summary of space in a directory or directories in human readable format, we just use s and h arguments with du command. For example, we want to see the summary of this particular directory, and it should return the size in human readable format. Notice the displayed size. This command is now showing us a summary of all files or directories and their sizes. If we want to add the grand total of the total usage, we can just add c argument with this command. Now see the difference. It is now displaying the grand total of the directory, this specific directory. Now to summarize this command will show us the size of each file and directory under this specific directory, and then by adding c argument, it will show us the grand total of that directory. We can notice that by default when we use the du command, it does not sort the result set of size, this particular column. We can sort the result set by adding sort command to du command. We will use the previous command. Just add sort n and then notice the difference. Now if you see, it's in ascending order now. Earlier the result set was ordered by default with the directory's name, but now it is ordered by adding the sort command. It is now ordered by size. If you want to sort the order in reverse order, we can just add R to this command and then it will sort the result set in reverse order. Now see the difference. Now it is ordered in reverse order. Since this is the list of all the directories under a particular directory, now if you want to return the size of a specific directory, we can just add the directory name to this command. For example, we want to see the size. Let's clear this screen. For example, we want to see the size of modules directory. We can just add the name of the directory to this command. This command is now returning the size in human readable format of this particular directory. Now if you want to add subdirectories to this command, I mean the size of all the subdirectories under modules directory, we can just add / and star and it will show you the result set with all the subdirectories and their sizes. We can sort this result set by adding the sort command. Now if you want to see a specific part of the result set, we can use grep command to du command to extract that specific part. So for example, we are displaying this result set and then out of this result set we just want to see the total, the last line. So add pipe symbol, grep command and then just put the total string. It will show us only the grand total of that directory. Hope this video was helpful in understanding the du and df commands. Thank you for watching this video.